స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నా బ్రో.
రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు.
Done. Okay. Hello, good morning. My name is Sheikh Hassan. I'm doing the project on exploring Kevin Kelly's technology insight by the Professor Christian Akaze by the subject of emerging issues of techno analytics. చెప్పండి బ్రో, ఇంట్రడక్షన్.
హాయ్, ఐఎమ్ చైతన్య నాగబైరు.
Hi, this is Ranadeep Krishna Bolla.
Myself, Bhargav Teja Chaudhary. We are doing like Kevin Kelly's Technologies Insights. These are my group members. Thank you.
In Kevin Kelly's insight table of content. Kevin Kelly's insight technology and societal context scenarios affected individuals and industries, disruptions and opportunities, technology impact on identity and progress, synthesize findings, reflect and broader implications, references. Kevin Kelly's insight. Technology evolves as a inevitable force. Progress follows the predictable technology trends. Continuous disruptions reshapes industries constantly. Digital transformation changes human interactions. Inflowing, screening, accessing the other succeeded in the representing the technology role into a new perspective. The latter has shifted from the ownership based to the access based model. Identity evolves with the technology advancement. Change this slide, bro. Technology and social context. For the entertaining, the media shifted from the physical formats of the conveying the information to the online streaming. Algorithms personalize content recommendations daily. The shift is evident in fact that data that people using the no longer owned by them, which is the contrary to the argument exception papers please movie. Online learning can be described as the alteration of the educational access and delivery across the world. Business adapt to the cloud-based infrastructure. The fourth and final factor is that social and economic changes occurring with the shift towards the digital economy influence new consumer behaviors. Security issues increase with the level of the openness of information. My friend will be continue the project.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sean. Actually, we are discussing like both scenarios like a flowing and screening and like accessing. Firstly, we are discussing about the real world examples like a flowing. Basically the music industry has seen a dramatic shifts from the pursuing physical sales albums to streaming, and the services like Spotify have completely transformed to the communicate directly. At the same, like this is the case since artists can earn their money from the public, not through the sales of compact discs. Like the same, this transformation emphasizes the importance of instant availability of personalized recommendation, as the same which are reshaping consumer behavior in the music industry. And in the previous century, listening became an activity performed in the hopes of having like instant access to it. The independent artists gain direct audiences like Bowick and Stoltman and Bergquist 2023. As the same, the music industry had embraced the change brought about by the digitalization of its market. As the same, um, 1 second. Yeah. Here that like a screening is an refers to have a digital media platforms like Netflix and YouTube have distributed traditional content consumption models. As the YouTube for growing internet starts like a YouTube as a news channels, Coursera for online classes. As well, the education in the educational platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy are leading the shift to conventional classrooms to online self-placed learning. This move enhances accessibility and offers individual learning experiences, breaking down geographical and institutional barriers. As the same, like educational platforms that democratize the knowledge and the student access the global expertise affordably, and the video learning boosts engagement rates as the same industry integrates the training and via e-learning, especially as the same next scenario is like accessing cloud computing and data storage like Amazon Web Service as nothing but AWS on the Google Drive. As a having established the nature of VPNs functions in the business, it is imperative to understand why business prefer they use cloud over hardware. Because the rise of cloud computing has replaced in the need for the physical ownership as of IT infrastructures. Companies now prefer the renting software through the SaaS models rather than lead to cost savings and more flexible business operations. However, the shift cloud comes concerns about the data security and privacy as the same subscription services replace software ownerships. Is the essay identifies that there is a positive relationship between the teleworking and the cloud computing components. As the same companies reduce infrastructure costs significantly, bankers 88 as per the 2023. As the same reliance on cloud-based services has changed how business operates and interact with the consumers. As the same data privacy laws tighten the regulations, effective linking of artificial intelligence very much on the cloud. And this is my all. And the next is going to be my friend.
All right, so this is Ranadir Krishna Bola. So I'll be continuing from affected individuals and industries. So the streaming services have become a primary source of income for musicians, especially, while the film industry is gradually moving from physical to digital distribution. In the education, online learning has become a preferred model for many educators due to its flexibility and wider reach. So the cloud computing has improved business operations, making it easier for companies to scale. However, this digital transformation has also led to a disruption of traditional media with new technologies threatening established business models in entertainment and beyond. So, on the next slide, disruptions and opportunities. So, we'll go with that. So, in that, artificial intelligence plays a huge role in filtering and enriching user content based on preferences. The shift to online learning has expanded due to educational access globally, breaking down physical and geographical barriers also. So, and the next one is while artists face challenges from the decline in album sales due to streaming, cloud computing has reduced operational costs for businesses, especially subscription based models that have redefined customer behavior and market needs. However, with these shifts come new challenges such as rising cybersecurity threats as one of the more data is stored online. On the next slide, technology's impact on identity and progress. So here we'll be discussing about digital transformation and has not only changed the business operations but also reshaped personal and professional identities. For instance, personalized recommendations on streaming platforms alter how people experience content, creating a more individualized consumption model. In the education, the shift to online learning platform has altered traditional learning methods. Cloud computing has enabled more people to work remotely, significantly impacting work-life dynamics. As new technology advances, businesses are leveraging data-driven insights to enhance decision making. Thank you.
Hi, this is Chaitanya. I would like to discuss about the synthesis of findings. Streaming redefines music consumption habits. Screening personalizes media and education. Accessing prioritizes convenience over ownership. Industries transform through digital evolution. Technology shifts social expectations constantly. Cybercrimes are the significant threat that appears as a result of growth in the use of digital platforms. Future trends depend on adaptability. Next slide, please. Reflect on broader implications. Technology accelerates digital first lifestyles. AI reshapes human decision making processes. The three primary areas, namely work, entertainment, and learning, are becoming integrated online. This is due to the fact that increased use of electronics invokes greater security threats. This paper seeks to detail how access of information in the global environment improves changes. It is the high time that it become clear that in the modern world of business industries have to either engage in constant evolution or gradually decline. Innovation defines future social growth. Next slide, please. references. We have taken references from the recent year papers and the recent adoption of technologies, and we have presented all the references here. And I would like to conclude that the Facebook, cloud computing, and Netflix are unstoppable these days, and the technological digitalization growth is unstoppable as the same way. And with the rapid growth of technology and the digitalization products, we can also say that the cyber threats are more, and the cybersecurity is becoming stronger to face that and to stop that. So here we go. The Kevin uh, analysis insight says everything, and I will conclude with this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Professor Christian, giving this for making the Kevin Kelly's insights. As they say, like Chaitanya says, our overall the conclusion. If you have any doubts, you can go through the references and you can check it in. Thank you so much.
Thank you, team. Thanks
We are open
everybody
for the
for
questions.
participating in everything.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes,